picked up from a very okay sab normal chal raha hai and then suddenly placed in this circumstance that you're in? Because you were what, all of 20, no, back in the day?
Yeah. So I was 20 when I got married. Um, you know, like sometimes my answer is something and sometimes it's not.
Yeah.
It really depends on the point of view that I'm looking at it with. If I see it as marriage and a relationship that I got into, it was just like all other relationships that you would get into, or for others, if you get married, how your journey begins. Changing cities and then having that limelight and suddenly so much attention on you and wanting to know who you are, where have you come, why are you here, judging every move of yours, that's completely different. So there's always a toss up between the two. I think because we had this arranged marriage and it sounds very old school, right? Like, oh, you guys, were made to meet and then like you got married, like, aren't you this modern day girl? But I feel like who's to say what's modern and what's traditional? I mean, as long as it's my choice.
Yeah. और चल
And
रही
we
है ना?
really hit it off, man. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
been almost 10 years and I wouldn't have had it any other way.
No,
And
the relationship part I understand, right?
Yeah.
Like, and I'm not even like, I don't want to sort of go into that. I'm talking about like, I imagine this. ठीक है?
you mean the limelight, or
Yeah,
you mean
dude,
like the
at
attention?
20? At 20, that must
You
be
know,
staggering.
I feel like maybe I had the benefit of innocence, not being as acutely aware of everything. There was a phase where it got increasingly difficult, when there was a lot more backlash, there was a lot more opinion, there was a lot more judgment. It also came at a time where I myself was very fragile because I just had my first child, and you're just emotionally a little vulnerable, and everything kind of came together, like new relationship, new city, new life, so much attention, baby, new role as a mother. So I was very, very vulnerable. I mean, I have said things that I, in retrospect, feel like I probably wouldn't have if I was the same person today, because what you say when you're 20 and where that's coming from is very different to the woman that I am today.
Yeah.
And I feel like I've really grown from that space. But what stayed is that there is a part of me that just switches off from all of this, because I'm inherently a very private person. Like, I like a close group of friends. I feel like the number of friends you have you should be able to count them on your fingers. Otherwise, it's a bit
It's
too
big.
many.
It's too big, yeah.
And then it becomes small talk. It's
Yeah.
not meaningful. And for me, like, friends are those that I can speak to after 2 months and we can pick up exactly where we left off from.
Agreed,
Also, I
agreed.
moved cities, right? So I had to make a whole new set of friends.
Right.
Like, I had my core school and college group, and we're still friends, and like they're still my backbone. But you make this new set of friends. Like, for me, it was making friends with my daughter's friends' moms.
Yeah.
Like mom friends.
Right.
And some of them are still so close to me. Like, they have taken me through my life here. So it was a challenge. I won't say that it wasn't. There are days where it's not easy.
Yeah. But nobody's going to sympathize with you.
Nobody's
going
going to sympathize.
Yeah.
And beyond a point, I don't care.
Right.
It's okay. You have your opinion and I have mine.
Yeah.
And yeah.
See, I'll tell you what, okay? We are roughly the same age, and maybe plus minus 1 year. And when I was 20, all I could think of was, what bar am I in tonight? And what party am I doing tomorrow? And like, how am I sneaking out of my house before my dad finds out? Like, this was literally my routine, ठीक है? मेरे पापा रोज रात को सो जाते थे, मैं गाड़ी में बैठ के फरार, और मैं फरीदाबाद से
How
दिल्ली.
do you manage, like, sneaking out?
Dude.
How do you manage
Oh
that?
my God, I have no idea how my parents never found out. Like, क्या कर रहे हो यार? आपका काम है क्या पेरेंट करना? पेरेंट करो. और मैं I would jump the दीवार of my house, गाड़ी में बैठ के, and I'd go out. And I started dating like that. Like, because अब मैं कैसे टाइम कहाँ से निकालूँ? My dad's not going to let me do that. So, if I got famous at 20, I would be several thousand times cancelled. Because I was making that many mistakes. Right? Like, at 25, it was hard enough. At 20, it would be just bad.
ब्रदर, ये क्वेश्चंस और ये पॉडकास्ट सुन के आपके भी दिमाग के चक्षु खुले ना, सो subscribe to this so that you can watch our podcast in small bits and clips while you are busy and wasting your life away.